How to do an extension for self-employed taxes on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are self-employed and need more time to file your taxes, you can easily file a tax extension through TurboTax. This will give you until October 15 to submit your return. However, remember that an extension only gives you more time to file, not more time to pay any taxes owed. The first thing you want to do is prepare your information such as your personal information, estimated income, expenses, and deductions. Now, you want to head over to Tax Tools, there select File and Extension. TurboTax will now guide you through estimating your income, calculating taxes owed, then filling out Form 4868. This is the application for automatic extension of time. Now you want to submit your extension electronically. If you owe taxes, you can pay directly through TurboTax or choose to mail a check. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.